Hi Sumuki and Sappan, welcome to Indian Express. One Mic Stand is back. Tell us what we can expect from the second season.
Oh my God. Hello. Thank you for having us, first of all. What you can expect, just like season one, is of course five different celebrities trying stand up for the first time. So, of course, a lot of jokes, a lot of fun, but also a lot of nervousness and excitement that comes along with getting on stage for the first time. So, it's a cracker of a combination. We've got Karan Johar, we've got Chetan Bhagat, we've got Sunny Leone, Faye D'Souza, and Raftaar. So, it's a killer eclectic mix, and equally talented we've got some fantastic comedians. So Muki's here, of course. Woo-hoo! There's Atul Khatri, Samay Raina, Nidhi Palda, and Avish Mathew. So really excited about this lineup and really excited for everyone to watch this show.
Why these five celebrities? What was about them that you picked them up for the second?
No, I think the idea, and this is not my decision alone. It is a creative team, and with Amazon we consult and everything. The idea always is to get a diverse lineup of people. So it's not just say Bollywood or not just music. So we always want to get a good mix of people, and also people who will have interesting stories to tell. I think that is the basic criteria. That so everybody on the show. Like when we announce a post, also you may like their work, you may not like their work, but you'll always like, oh, I want to know what this person is going to talk about. I want to know what happens when they get on stage. So it's always has to be an interesting personality.
And Sumuki, apart from the big money, what made you say yes to One Mic Stand too?
No, for the first time ever, it was not about money. But the fact that it's One Mic Stand, I think it's a fabulous property that Sapan's created, which sort of blends so many people who have interesting stories and get a chance to say it. And Sapan did this thing about where he got stand-up comedians to mentor them. So the funniest way possible to tell these stories. Like the premise itself of the show is great. So to be part of this, I'm so glad. Like I think we were discussing how season one also we were looking to be, since the limited episodes, it's almost like we're like, okay, when can we be part of it?
Yeah,
so it was very nice that way. And second, he caught me and says Karan Johar. I'm like, Karan Johar, मैं छुट्टी ले रही हूँ. Because Karan Johar is so entertaining and he's so funny as such. Like, so for us to mentor, it was just to make sure that he is himself and he has as much fun as possible, and we see a new side of Karan that you have not seen in his interviews or you have not seen, because he's so much out there. There's so many stories about him. What can you possibly know more? And you do. Like One Mic Stand tells you something very different about Karan, which is very exciting. So two main reasons.
But tell me, how will you rate Karan Johar as a student? How was your experience mentoring him?
He was so good. Like it was so nice to see that he, the kind of opinions he had in terms of the jokes. He's like, oh, can we do this? Can we do that? Or the amount of stories he shared with us. Oh, you can use this. You can use these many, pockets of things from my life. And other thing is that, the slight nervousness which he did have before he went on stage, which sort of validated us about stand-up. Like, we're like, oh, thank you. Like, which I'm sure, I mean, not only Karan, other celebrities as well, is that the moment they're nervous, you're sort of feeling like, okay, so it's not just us. We got this. This is a legit art form that we're sort of practicing. So that's always nice to, sort of observe. So, and also just, he kept the set so fun. Like we had super fun, too much fun with them. The entire set was enjoying themselves.
I wanted to ask you all about the others because Sumuki hasn't seen their performance, but you've been there on the field. So tell us how
I've seen every episode 40 or 50 times. I think. Karan of course was very busy, but he was very good that when he came on set, he improvised like 5 new jokes every time. Every time we did a script reading, he would add something on stage. So Mookie and I just watching him saying, we didn't he was saying this on his own. Yeah. So that happened with him. Chetan Bhagat, being a writer himself, of course, was very involved. He wanted to write jokes. He would do readings in house parties with his friends of his script, and he would write back to us saying, "Hey, my friends think this is funny or this is not funny," things like that. Raftaar is a half a comedian, I would say. He hangs out with comedians. He's very funny. He comes to comedy shows so often, so he knows the world of stand-up very well. So he was very much into it. He was always into it. And Sunny, and this is something you'll find out in the show also. that she's seen a lot of stand-up growing up in the US also. So she knows what an open mic is, what a new material night is. She knows what a set is, what a spot. So she knows all the lingo, jargon, everything about stand-up. So it was absolutely a blast working with all of them.
Right. And comedy has kind of become a very close synonyms to controversy these days. When you're writing scripts, when you're writing your sets, are you being careful when you're writing and creating your sets?
I would say, at least on this show, the good thing is that because this show is more about everybody's personal stories, we've not had that need to kind of be like, oh, ye kar sakte hain, because everything, like Karan Johar is talking about his life, Preeti is talking about her life. So very rarely have we reached a point where like, oh, this can go, this can't go, because like I know stand-up in general has been under a lot of scrutiny, and yeah, maybe as a comedian I do kind of self-censor a lot these days, saying that should I say this or no. But on the show, thankfully, because the show is not about a comedian doing a 60-minute special, it's about these guys who are doing 8 minutes or 10 minutes of stand-up, and this is all about their life. So it's more personal, so we don't have as many issues of controversies or anything as such.
I want you to give us 3 names who are on your wish list if One Mic Stand will happen.
So Mukhi, you say.
Oh, my wish list. I want Tabu, Sania Mirza, and oh wow. I think I've said this name before, and I would love to Smriti Irani.
Oh, very interesting.
Wow. Really fun.
Very interesting.
Okay, so I have said, like in season 1 promos also, every time interviews I've always said Shahrukh.
I would
yeah. I will not count that. Okay, I want to get a sports person for sure the next time. I think sports is one genre that I think. So like I don't know, like a Sachin Tendulkar. I don't know. It'll be a dream to get somebody like that to talk about. Or Rahul Dravid, how you just saw him in that ad. And
after that ad,
Yes. I think Priyanka Chopra is very funny. And very
yeah, she's very funny.
And again, we did that video.
Yeah, we did that
how
interview.
just like she was on from the beginning. She was on. Again, such an interesting story, right? From where she started to where she's reached, the legacy she's built. It'll be great. And I think I want to get a Pankaj Tripathi maybe. He's very different.
He'll be the breakout star there also. Pankaj Tripathi has been breaking out in every show. That's how he is.
So I think, we'll just
given the wish list you guys have, I'm starting a petition that One Mic Stand 3 laugh.
Please. Hashtag.
Best, yes.
This Amazon Prime, everybody keeps commenting saying Mirzapur season 3 where, Family Man season 3 where. Let's start today. One Mic Stand season 3. Let's start it.
Absolutely.
Done. Let's do it.
And Sapan, of course, talking about responsibility, the format has been picked up by Germany as from what I read in the release today.
Yes, it is happening.
How exciting does that feel?
Oh man, it is very, very exciting. Unfortunately, I couldn't go. There was some discussion of me going and kind of being a supervisor producer from here, but because of the pandemic and the visa issues and all, couldn't go. I really wanted to go and do that. So I am kind of consulting them over calls and all, but of course they have I think they were supposed to shoot this week, so they've got a great lineup of talent, and what I really love is that they have kind of taken the show and interpreted it in their own way. So like I can't reveal much, but the way they're doing it, the scale, the way they've designed the stage, and the way they're doing everything is so different. I never saw the show from that perspective. I'm like, this is ye bhi ho sakta hai show ke saath. So it's very interesting what they're doing, and I'm just hoping that we get to pitch it to more countries. And it's a very good format. It's a very, honestly, also a very easy format to replicate. It's not a very high budget show involving some 10 episodes every season. 5 celebrities doing stand-up, very simple, chill format. So I feel like it can be adapted more and more into other countries, and hopefully more regional in India also. So we'll keep trying for that.
Super, guys. Thank you so much for your time and all the best.
Thank you, Sana.
To the show.
Thank you, Sana.
Take care.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
See you. Bye. Bye.